Good morning, welcome to Fairlane, home of Claire and Henry Ford. My name is Tom Schuster and I'm Fairlane's Preservation Craftsman. And as you can tell, I'm not inside the house today. We're actually at the Powerhouse, and I'm here with Todd Wilson from Chrisman. He's the superintendent of our project. We're moving some of the restoration. We're going this way now. We're kind of working towards the Powerhouse, and we're working on our fenestrial openings. And for those of you that don't know what that means, that's kind of our doors and windows. I learned about it maybe yesterday, because those big words aren't for Tom. And Todd is going to kind of break down what's going on for us in the background here.
So we are removing two sets of these garage doors because the jambs have been racked over time. They're bent. Doors don't operate the way they originally did, and they're quite heavy. They're steel doors with even steel muttons between the glazing. So we're using a telehandler to support the weight of the door while we remove the hinges, and then pivoting them away from the building and laying them down on carts so that the jamb can be repaired.
So what's our purpose of taking them off? Why are we doing this?
For jam repair. So
we're just going to fix all the jams so they have something like stronger to adhere to?
So we're going to remove the jams because they're bent. We're going to replace them with new, but we're also going to increase the anchorage points into the stone and masonry behind so that they've got additional support, because again, they're so heavy that when they're open, they put a lot of weight on the lower
it's
jam.
Pulling the weight out. Okay, perfect. And so, when like all these doors are coming off at one time?
No. So the jams that are bent are the middle door that's already removed and the one that they're taking out now. Those are the only two we're taking out. The rest of them are all still operable, and we're repairing those in place.
Perfect. Well, thank you for making our Powerhouse look good, and we're going to be back here on this project multiple times because we're really excited about what's going on the outside and on the inside. So thanks again for visiting Fairlane. Thanks for watching another episode of Tuesdays with Tom, and we'll see you in 2 weeks.